Hello doers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to calculate product price based on your sales standard price and percentage. So let's see about that. You can see here our module Dev product sale percentage. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to sales, go to products, go to anyone like a desk pad. See here the sale percentage, sale price and cost price. Now I add cost price 100, sale price is 10 and sale percentage is 10. Now click on this calculate button. So see here sale price is changed. Now I add 20. Again click on calculate. So see here again change sale price. Thank you.